Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log into direct mortgage account online in just a few simple steps. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to your device and then open up a web browser of your preference. Soon after you open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in the URL directmortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard. In order to access your mortgage account or to make payments, you can simply go ahead and log into your direct mortgage account. From the main home page, click on login at the top of the screen, and then in the sign in area, you will be prompted to enter an email address or a cell phone number. You will need to type in the email or cell phone number that is associated with your direct mortgage account. If you don't have an account yet with Direct Mortgage, then you will need to start off by creating a new account. Click on Create New Account button on the screen. Follow through the instructions, and once you have your account, you can sign into it anytime you want. While signing into the account, enter your email or your cell phone number. After you do that, click on Next, and then if your email is not recognized, then you will need to create a new account. Enter your first name, your last name, enter a verifiable cell phone number, and then click Submit. But if this email is already registered to your direct mortgage account, you will need to type in your password on the next page, and once you type in your correct password, click on Login and you will be able to sign in to your direct mortgage account homepage. If you are having trouble such as forgotten password or forgotten details, simply click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions so that you can reset to a new password for direct mortgage. So that is how you can easily sign in to direct mortgage. If you ever want to make payments from your online account, view your information or transactions and much more, you can easily access to your account by entering your credentials online. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.